Hey guys, PermaSafe Matt here, and today we're in one of my most favorite places of all time, the MMA gym. As society opens back up and we go back to our favorite gyms, our favorite places of working out, there's no better place to sanitize and keep antimicrobial than the places in the gym like the benches where you use the weights, the squat rack, even the mats that you wrestle on or do jiu-jitsu or striking on. All these are high contact surfaces that we're gonna clean, we're gonna disinfect, and we're gonna keep antimicrobial, and we're gonna knock out the germs. PermaSafe is a unique, long-term antimicrobial surface and air protection system. The system itself is comprised of two distinct yet equally remarkable patented and EPA-registered products. The first step, PermaSafe Clean, is our high-performance, multi-surface cleaner. It's a no-rinse, no-wipe sanitizer and broad-spectrum hospital-grade disinfectant. It's also an odor, allergen, mold, mildew, and fungi eliminator. Our second step, PermaSafe Shield, is our semi-permanent antimicrobial surface protectant that continuously inhibits the growth and spread of bacteria and other microorganisms. A complete PermaSafe system installation is achieved by fogging Clean and Shield, one product right after the other, throughout a designated area and the HVAC system that services it. Upon application, it also continuously purifies interior room air. Our PermaSafe system also meets the EPA's criteria for use against SARS coronavirus 2, the novel coronavirus that causes the disease COVID-19. Even more than its versatility, what's most remarkable about PermaSafe is it can last and remain antimicrobially effective for months or more, and it does so without the use of any harmful chemicals. We sprayed all door handles, countertops, benches, we sprayed the mats, we sprayed the bathrooms, we sprayed the entire kids area to include cubbies, chairs front and back, all tables, Xbox and controllers, couches, desks, chairs, screens, books. We sprayed the bathrooms, all contact surface handles, stalls, doors, showers, locker room cubbies, sink handles, paper towel dispensers, water fountains. We sprayed the entire free weight area and exercise equipment, all bleachers, all tie pads, all wall mats, all floor mats, the entire cage, inside and out, to include the actual cage, the pads, and the floor.